Hello, welcome to my very first video on this brand new channel. It's a channel for new YouTubers and small YouTubers, especially under 1,000 subscribers. Are you one of them? Welcome, welcome. I'm going to start by asking you, are you a YouTuber? You are recording videos. You are editing videos. Sometimes you don't sleep. That editing takes a while. Then you upload it and share with a friend. So please come watch. People don't care. They're busy doing other things. They don't care. They watch, you say, oh, please like, please add a comment. They don't do it. Are you feeling like that? And then the subscribers, it's not happening, especially these days. People they have so much to look at. They forget even to do something, even if they wanted to do it, they forget. So are you feeling frustrated? And another pain is you work so hard like that, but you don't see any money. You have maybe almost at 1,000 or something, but there's no money. And even if you get to 1,000 subscribers, get into those 4,000 watch hours that YouTube wants for YPP, YouTube Partner Program, you look at it and say, when am I going to get there? So I created this channel and it's brand new. My name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm in Virginia, USA, and I'm a business owner. I'm very passionate about anything to do with business, anything to do with money and passive money, especially these days. I'm almost 59 years young. I'll be 59 in a few days. So my mind is thinking, we have to make sure we make money, and it has to be passive money. Money that will come whether you're working or you are not working. Once you set it up, it comes. So I'm going to show you, this is about 3 things. Number 1, how do we grow to get to the 1,000 subscribers, right? Number 2, how do we make some money? Because I'm doing everything I'm talking about, I'm doing. And number 3, how do you get you to make it as passive money, the way I'm doing? So I have, this is my second channel. I have a channel that has right now 15,000 subscribers and over 1,500 videos, including shorts. But when I started it, we didn't have shorts. So I monetized my channel without shorts, without like a real hard work. I'll share that story maybe in another video. So my intention here, I'm thinking, what would happen if I start a channel and I don't share it? I'm going to use this channel to teach you, to share what's going on. Okay, how many subscribers I'm getting, the analytics, click-through rate, what's going on, where are they coming from, what time are they watching? All that, you're going to watch it here. As I'm recording this, I have 0 subscribers, 0, nothing. This is the first video. So if you're watching this, you landed here. Thank you very much. And I'm going to use this as an experiment to show people what's possible. So if what I'm saying here sounds like interesting to you, please like it, please subscribe and hit on the bell so that you get notified when I have a new video. What I want for you is to feel happy really, really, really soon. Because if you choose to do what I'm asking you to do next, you're going to be happy in the next 30 days. That's not a guarantee because I don't know how you're going to behave. But if you behave, I've done this before on the other side. If you behave like the way we expect you to behave, you upload your videos, you cut them in shorts, you do everything you're saying. And as far as the money, you sign up, you start these trials and everything, you're going to be very happy. You met me today. So, because we're going to sell your money, it comes every Wednesday on a platform called Skool. So this is not really, really planned much. I'm recording this at what time? After midnight in Virginia, USA, because I want to upload it and then start this test. So please, in the pinned comment, I have a link that takes you to this community. I call it Share Your Story. That's where I'm doing this where I'm supporting you. But in there, I also have Skoolers. The Skoolers are people who own Skool communities. I don't know if you're familiar with the Skool platform. There's a new Skool platform that looks like, it's like Facebook. And it also looks like almost like YouTube. It's very interesting. So that's where we make the money. We don't have to get to 1,000 yet before we make the money. So I'm going to invite you, check the pinned comment and the description to go over there. But the only challenge, I call it a challenge, this is international, but some countries don't have the Stripe system. It's called Stripe. That's the one that pays us. So what I've done to make this headache, because I've promoted things that have this issue, I put $1, $1, $1. So if you go on there and you can pay $1, that's a sign that your country is allowed inside. You can pay, you can be paid. But if you try to pay $1 and doesn't take it, and you know your card is good, that's a sign that your country is not there. And if you want me to respond to you, to just let you know, because I have a list of the countries, although I can't list them all up here, please. And also the owners actually talking about adding more countries. So put a comment on here, on this video, say where you are. I'm in this country. I'm going to respond and say, yes, I see your country on this list. But the fastest way to test this is to go over there and try to pay $1. Now, inside, guess what? I have things like co-working. This is the new community, by the way. Co-working, you can come. You know how you record a video and you don't feel like editing it? Bring it. Come to that co-working. I schedule this live. We go live over there. I schedule live just for people to co-work. You come and say, oh, we ask you, okay, what are you working on today? I'm editing my video. Just go silent and edit. For 1 hour, do things that you tend to put off. So we support you like that. That's co-working. Then inside, you could, if you qualify, you could upload your videos. We share. These have to be family friendly. Like if a mom has children, they can watch them. If you don't have those kind of videos, please, I'm so sorry. That's not your community. And then the other thing you do, you interact with others. You know, YouTube introduced collaboration. So you could collaborate with others. So much we can do to move your channel to the next level. Maybe you could even get it to real monetization of 4,000 hours. Who knows? But just know that even with 500 subscribers, there's somewhere where you qualify to monetize your channel, especially because YouTube introduced shopping. YouTube affiliate shopping, have you heard of it? Where I do it on my other channel. So like right now, I could tag this book. I can't tag it here because this channel doesn't qualify. But in the other one, I could tag it like this. I put it there, say, okay, please, if you want to read this book, they go and shop. You've seen this. So maybe you could qualify to get to that level. But right now, action. The important thing I'm going to do for you is consistency. Consistency, you're going to find yourself being energized to record those videos, the shorts, to break them down. So right here, I'm going to be sharing tips, how we grow this, especially now that we have those shorts, how to play around with those shorts. Because the shorts, you can use the related feature to connect them with the long videos. If you can record at least one video a week, you're good. I'll show you how the shorts can come and combine with that long video and give you results. Then there are these stickers that can put on shorts. There's a add yours, a question and answer sticker. All those are going to help us grow, which we didn't have when I was monetizing my channel. So thank you so much for watching this. Remember, it's my first video. Please support it. You know what to do, right? And if you're watching when you're not a YouTuber, I say check it out, because you could be in there just cheering us on. And if you invite, in fact, there are 3 ways right now you can make money on Skool. There are 3 ways. Look up. I'm showing you the 3 ways. Now, one of them, even if you are not a YouTuber or schooler, you can benefit. But you have to pay that $1 to be inside, because you can't make money unless you are inside. I pay 40% commissions if you invite a qualifying YouTuber or schooler. You understand? So when you go, you're going to find another short video that I put over there and some text, because not everyone is coming from YouTube. Other people are coming from another place. And so there's a short video for them, and you could watch it too. And then text that you see, I explain. And that text is the main, what's going on. If you have a special something, it's in the text, not mostly in the text. The other thing I have to mention, if you're not familiar with Skool, you've not been on that platform, you're going to be required to put your name. Please put your real name, because no one is going to pay you if you don't put your real name, right? So put your real name. They're going to verify with the code they send you. Do that, and then I'll see you on the other side. But as far as this channel, watch out for me. I'm coming. I'm coming. Support, share with all YouTubers, especially the small ones. I'm interested in the small ones. I don't care about the big ones. The small ones, any country they are, even if they are not in the country that could pay the $1, we'll still support them. So you just come over here. If you have a YouTube channel, just comment. People will come and support you just like that, even if you're not with us over there. The owner of this Skool platform is working on adding more countries, so maybe you'll get yours, but most countries are right now allowed. The name of this channel, this one, is, my name is Sherifa Nakalima, that's the other one, but this one is, I call this the 1,000 subscribers story. I want you to share your story, what you went through. In fact, over there, I interview people. They share their stories, school stories, YouTube stories. Maybe you'll share yours and I'll put it on my other channel. And this one too, we'll see. So you're welcome. Come, check out the pinned comment, and in the description, it's called Share Your Story. Check it over there, but you may have to register to really be allowed on Skool. And for those of you who are not YouTubers, who are not Skoolers, YouTubers yet or Skoolers, please share with a friend. Or you could just support by liking and adding a comment, whatever you think. I'm hiding over here. No one knows about this channel except you. Thank you so much. When I end my messages in the other videos, I would say take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your health, because health is important. We need it. But please, whatever you're working on, be consistent. Like if you're recording videos, decide, okay, I'm recording a long form every week, and do it. We are here to support you, okay? Support this message. Again, like, share, subscribe. Maybe I'll be interviewing you soon, okay? I'm signing off. Bye-bye.